I will begin by telling you the most basic function of each section, and then you will be able to decide which one you would like to learn about. To start, the brain is made up of two hemispheres which are held together and communicate using the corpus callosum. The occipital lobe is responsible for receiving and processing everything you see. The parietal lobe has a similar function as the occipital lobe with the nerves, sensation, and stimulation. The temporal lobe is the piece of your brain that allows you to hear, speak, and retain memory. It also creates both visual and emotional connections and responses. The thalamus is the directory of your senses besides smell. It makes sense of all feeling and nerve stimulation. The hypothalamus maintains and regulates the body's functions such as temperature, hunger, thirst, fatigue, sleep, and circadian cycles. The cerebellum's responsibility is to maintain a person's balance and coordination. The hippocampus is responsible for your short-term memory, situational awareness, and the emotional responses due to changes in your surroundings. The amygdala controls all emotions. The cerebral cortex controls all voluntary movement and critical thinking and sensation deciphering. Finally, the frontal lobe is the higher nerve center of cognitive functions. It molds personality and develops decision-making as you grow up into your mid-20s. To learn more about the exterior parts of the brain, including the parietal lobe, occipital lobe, frontal lobe, temporal lobe, and the cerebellum, click any of the pieces here. To learn about the interior of the brain, wait for the next menu. To learn about any of the interior parts of the brain, click behind me for the cerebellum, corpus callosum, thalamus, hypothalamus, or amygdala. Sorry, I can't wait for that. We redo that one.